Okay, so I did this collaboration with Mindful. I'm giving y'all this game. It goes like this. Pay attention, there's a sale going on in Soho, and I'm on the go. So write this down or put your jack on record. Are you ready to take your TikTok game to the next level? Introducing the TikTok Viral Marketing Ebook, your ultimate guide to mastering the platform that's changing the way the world connects. Packed with proven strategies used by top creators, this ebook will teach you how to go viral and stand out in a sea of content. You'll get step-by-step guidance on everything from creating your first video to leveraging hashtags and trends like a pro. Discover the secrets behind TikTok's algorithm, unleash creative content ideas that resonate, and explore real-life case studies of campaigns that truly made an impact. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this ebook is designed for you. Plus, it's not hard to find. It's on Etsy.com at Hokit's eBooks. You got that? Write that down. I'm out in 5. Y'all gotta always stay ahead of the trends. Don't miss out on unlocking the full potential of TikTok marketing. Click Shop Now and start your journey to viral success today. You heard it here from me, Candy Crush. Now here's the thing. I told Mindful I'll drop my handle, only because they always show me love. But I don't really care to wake up the dead. Y'all owe me one, and I collect on all favors.